What are we doing today? Today we are conserving water as one of the pillars of Ambition 2025. Over 80% of our population lacks access to clean, drinking or usable water. And we have a natural resource, so why not tap into this resource? The story begins around COVID, when we had to get everyone in these beautiful premises. That entailed converting our warehousing space to office space. As we were doing all this work, we discovered a natural spring. First, it was a problem. We had to convert this problem to opportunity. So we sat with the team, thought about how to divert water away from our premises, and realized we could actually keep part of it on the premises and use it for the betterment of our environment.
So we connected the natural freely flowing spring water into the reserve tank, which we discovered had an overflow, which constantly flows. And from that we put 2 pumps, one to pump to the reservoir tank and the other to be able to irrigate the flora. How the water is collected, it's freely flowing, number one. It's saved at the entry point into the underground and it enters the tank. So in the tank is where we added a pump. So the pump pumps to the tank, which feeds into the urinals and the toilets. And then there's another pump which pumps to a reservoir tank for water used for irrigation of the flora within the compound at MTN HQ.
We set up the mobile money offices and made sure that the toilets were using natural water we found on site.
So after the installation of this water in mobile money offices, we embarked on external toilets. And these are the external toilets we are talking about. MTN Uganda headquarters is seated on a square meter of 22,000. And our flora is around approximately 4,000 square meters. So you can imagine how much money would be saving with the utilization of the natural spring in the irrigation of our plants.
January this year, for instance, we consumed over 5,200 meters cubed of water. When we chose to start harvesting this water to water our beautiful gardens, to use in our washrooms, especially the mobile money washrooms and the public washrooms on our premises, we got a saving of almost 20% as I speak today. That translates to almost 5 million shillings every month.
The productivity is increasing because of this.
For some of us who come from the village, it's the water we use, we drink it. So having it within Kampala is an added advantage.
We're having this water tested to see it's fit for human consumption. And once it is, then we'll get more office space, more washrooms using this natural resource. Once we have a sustainable planet, we will deliver a modern connected life to the future generations of MTN Uganda. We hope to be the winning team in MTN that has been able to use a natural resource for the benefit of our environment.